Here's how you can easily create this animated sliding info cards right in PowerPoint for an engaging presentation. From the Home tab, go to Shapes and choose the rounded rectangle shape. Click and drag to draw your rectangle. Resize the shape and decrease the rounded corners. Now select your shape and hit Ctrl D to duplicate, align, and resize it like this. Now hit Ctrl D to duplicate it one more time. And change the fill color to white. And click on Send Backward. Now move it by using the up arrow key a few times. And resize the width to make it slightly skinnier like this. Now select everything and from Shape Outline choose No Outline. Select your front rectangle and right-click and choose Format Shape. And from the Effects tab, choose an outer shadow like this to give it some depth. Now select everything and hit Ctrl G. To group everything, then hit Ctrl Shift and click and drag to copy them 2 times like this. Select your 3 folders and hit Ctrl Shift G to ungroup. Go to the first folder and hit Ctrl Shift and click and drag to duplicate the top rectangle and resize it to be the same width as the slide like this. And remove the drop shadow and choose the slide background fill. Select your 3 white rectangles and resize them like this, and then add your content to each card. Now select your white cards and move them down like this. Duplicate the slide and move the first card up to reveal your content like this, and repeat the previous steps for the other 2 cards. Now select all of your slides, and from the Transitions tab, add a morph transition. Insert thousands of templates inside PowerPoint. Get it now. PPT-Design.com